Hi students, in this section we are going to see a few important applications how in mechanics also we can apply thermodynamics. Thermodynamics is applied even for mechanical objects, some like. So let's see one example. A 1 mole of gas put under a weightless piston of vertical cylinder in a vertical cylinder at a temperature T. So here is temperature T and space over the piston opens into atmosphere. So outside atmosphere pressure P0. So initially the piston was in equilibrium. So thermodynamics basically we discuss with the mechanical equilibrium, chemical equilibrium and thermal equilibrium. Okay. So mechanical equilibrium means net force is equal to 0. So whatever force, if you draw free body diagram of piston, initially pressure, due to pressure the pressure force will be outside, inside pressure, because there is outside P0 atmospheric pressure, try to apply force in the downward direction. So if you draw diagram, P in the upward direction, P0 in the P0 into A, area is the force, P into A in the upward direction, P0 into A is the force. Okay, initially Pi I am writing initial pressure in the gas, Pi. So Pi is equal to, it is in equilibrium, so net force is equal to 0, upward force is equal to downward force, Pi is equal to P0 initially. Next what happened? How much work should be performed by some external force to increase? How much work should be performed by some external force? So external force, whenever you see some kind of external force, the acceleration of system must be equal to 0. In a thermodynamics it is in equilibrium, so net force must be equal to 0. Okay, so upward force is equal to increase to the isothermally volume under the piston to twice the volume. So it should increase isothermally to how much volume? So I am just erasing this part. Initially just take volume is Vi, so final volume should be equal to Vi by 2. So isothermal is equal to Pi Vi is equal to P final V final. So V final volume is equal to initial volume by 2. So pressure P final is equal to, sorry, twice the volume, right? 2 times Pf is equal to Pi by 2. So pressure is reduced. Now he is asking work done. So let's draw free body diagram. Some external force should apply outside. To increase the volume, force should apply upwards, and this P into A. So at any position pressure is P and A, area is A, and P0 into A because of atmospheric pressure force. So F is equal to P0 minus P into A. This is the force that must be applied. P0 minus P into A. So the work done is equal to integral F into dx. So force is equal to, what is the value? P0 minus P into A into dx. So what is the A into dx? Is nothing but small change in volume dV. Okay, P0 into P, okay, let's write this. Integral from P0 minus P into A into dx is nothing but dV. From volume, from where to where it is changing. This is an ideal gas. Model gas is nothing but ideal gas if it's given or not. So PV is equal to nRT. So integral P not dV minus integral P, I can write it is RT by nRT by V into dV. So limits are from EVI to Vi by 2. Okay, so substitute the values. P0 into V by 2 minus V by 2 minus nRT ln V2 by V1. V2 by V1 is nothing but 1 by 2. So minus of minus becomes plus nRT ln 2 minus P0 V0 by 2. So this is how the value changes, twice the initial value. Okay, so initial temperature is given. Even if you want to find the initial PV is equal to RT, so P0 Pi Vi is equal to nRT initial temperature. Okay, even if you want to get in a temperature terms. Okay, let's go to the other question. These are the questions which are mentioned in your material. So in an experiment arrangement, a piston cylinder arrangement has steering device. So this is a steering device, and piston is frictionless, is held down by atmospheric. This is how the diagram it is looking like. Okay, so it is the diagram which is looking like this, and atmospheric pressure is given. So steering device makes what 9500 revolution with an average torque of 1 by 2 pi Newton meter churning. So what he is giving, how many number of revolution it is going? 9500. So 9500 revolutions, theta, so number of revolution I can write n is equal to 9500. So theta angle per revolution is 2 pi. So n into 2 pi into number of revolution, 2 pi n is equal to 2 pi into 9500 is an angular displacement, angular distance it is travelled. Okay, now the fluid, churning fluid, piston of piston F is diameter. So diameter of the piston is given. What is the diameter? 1 by root pi. Okay, so moves 10 centimeter due to churning of the fluid. So due to churning of the fluid, it is travelled how much? 10 centimeter. Okay, what is the net transfer, net work transfer to the system? Okay, here two types of works are being done on it. So listen carefully. Because of steering, work is done on the system. Piston is moving because of work done by the system. So work done on the system is positive. So positive work done on the system is positive. Work done by the system is negative. So net work done, so work done due to the rotation. So if you know the formula for rotational motion, tau into theta is actually work done due to rotations, and work done by is nothing but, so how much is the pressure into volume. See, it's going, so whenever inside pressure must be balanced with the outside pressure, because it is in thermodynamics means equilibrium. Okay, so the how much work it has to do, force into displacement. Force is equal to P naught into area into displacement dx. How much displacement it undergone? 10 centimeters. So P naught, 1 atmosphere is 10 power 5 pascals. Area is equal to pi d square by 4 into change in displacement. How much position it is changed? 10 centimeters. 10 into 10 power, okay, I'm sorry, 10 into 10 power minus 2 meters. Tau, we know what is the value of tau? 1 by 2 pi, and theta is equal to 2 pi into 9500. So work done on is equal to 9500 minus, so this remaining value we can simplify this, and work done by, subtract these two, you will get the answer, total work done. Let's see this question. A cylinder contains helium, okay, contains compressed helium used to inflame an elastic flexible balloon, originally completely flat. So volume, to a volume of, how much initial volume is not there, and finally the volume is 0.6 into 10 power minus 10 power V is equal to 0.6 meter cube. So then work done by atmosphere on the balloon. Work done is nothing but, see how much force it is applied, P naught into area. Work done is equal to integral P naught into area into dx. How much is the area? P naught is atmospheric pressure, because all the sides the pressure is acting. Okay, A into dx is nothing but dV. P naught into dV integral. So what is of P naught into d integral dV is nothing but V final minus V initial. V final, P naught is nothing but 1 atmosphere, is nothing but 10 power 1.01 into 10 power 5 pascals, approximately 10 power 5 pascal. V final is 0.6. Work done, so see, force is acting in this direction of the volume, but volume is increasing, displacement in the backward direction. So it's a plus or minus of 10 power 0.6 into 10 power 5 joules of energy that is spent. Let's see one important question. So 2k kilomoles of an ideal diatomic gas. Diatomic gas is Cv is equal to 5R by 2 and Cp is equal to 7R by 2. Cylinder fitted with a piston and spring as shown in the figure. Initially the spring is compressed by how much? How much it is compressed? Spring is compressed by 5 centimeters. Okay, so if it is compressed, let's draw a free body diagram of piston. So initially the pressure will be Pi. So force in the upward direction Pi into A, and there will be upward force. So it is compressed, it is upward, it is compressed. Spring force will be in the downward direction. So spring force in the downward direction, it is, what is the force? K into X. The downward force because of atmospheric pressure P naught into A. So Pi is equal to, so because it's a thermodynamic, everywhere it is equilibrium. Pi is equal to P naught plus Kx by A. Wait, he mentioned I think mass also. An electrical heater starts applying energy to gas at constant rate. How much energy it is giving? 100 joules per second, but in that conduction through the walls and radiation it is losing how much? 20 joules per second is losing. How much is the remaining part? 80 joules per second it is utilizing. So heat is added to the system. Q is equal to 80 joules per second. Q added. Okay. Heat lost to the, okay, that's done. So K is equal to how much? He is saying K is equal to 1000 Newton per meter, and G is given, P atmospheric pressure is given, A naught is given, area is equal to, area of the piston is equal to 50 into 10 power minus 4 meter square. Mass of the piston is given, mass of the piston is given. So mg also act in the downward direction. Here I wrote Pi is equal to P naught plus Kx by A plus mg by A. So mass of the piston is equal to 1 kg. So you can just realizing everything, you can pause the video and you can note down the question and try to do along with me after noting down. So mass is equal to 1 kg, and initial pressure we can get. So what is the P naught? 10 power 5 plus K is known 1000 into X value is also given. How much it is displaced? It's confined, so small place. So Pi initial is equal to 10 power 5 plus K is 1000 into displacement 5 into 10 power minus 2 by area is equal to 50 into 10 power minus 4 plus M is 1, G is 10 by area is equal to 50 into 10 power minus 4. Simplify this to get the initial pressure. Okay, if you simplify this one, you will get initial pressure. What he is asking, work done by gas in 5 seconds is. So for that 5 seconds time is given. How to do it? Q is equal to how much energy is used energy 8 joules per second. How much heat added? 5 into 8, 400 joules amount of heat is added to the system. So Q is equal to, we have formula M NCP into delta T. So Q is equal to NCP into delta T. So N is 2000, I think, which is the value? 2000. N is 2000. Cp for this diatomic 7R by 2 into delta T. We can get a change in temperature. So it is 400. From here we will get the value of delta T. So delta T, after getting delta T, what we are supposed to do? After getting delta T, write the first law of thermodynamics. Q is equal to delta U plus W. Q is equal to how much is the Q? That is 400 delta U, change in internal energy. So NCV into delta T plus W. Okay. So from here CV value is known. N into delta T, you can keep N into delta T also as it is like that. N into delta T is equal to 7R by 2. So simplify this term and get the value of W, work done. Okay, let me simplify. So here 2000 is there, no? Just keep N into delta T aside. N into delta T is equal to 400 by 7R into 2. So when I substitute 400 is equal to n into delta t 400 by 7r into 2, CV is equal to 5r by 2 plus work done. So 2 gets cancelled, r gets cancelled. So W is equal to 400 minus 400. So if it goes to other side, 2 by 7. So this is the amount of work that is done by gas. So because this is work done by, if it is positive, this is work done by the gas. Okay, so thank you. Any equilibrium mechanical situation, if the mass is given, then you should understand, you should do force balance. So force is equal to pressure into area. So if you can remember the mechanics part, it will be easy to calculate thermodynamics. Thank you very much.